Krishna. Obviously, Krishna represents the self, God, Atma in you. Krishna is the inactive principle. There is an episode before the where he is lying on the bed sleeping, representing the inactive principle of Atman. Arjuna also comes for help, Duryodhana also comes for help. That means the God Tattva is neutral to both. It is a witness of both. Yet, it will help those who approach him with devotion, seeking his help. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Ye yatha mam prapadyante tam tataiva bhajamyaham. Whoever, however, approaches me in that form, I help them in that form. If somebody asks me for wealth, I give him that. If somebody asks me for me, myself, I give myself to him. Like that it is. So Duryodhana asked for the army, and Arjuna asked for Krishna only, though he said, I will be unarmed and not fighting. So Arjuna got Krishna and Duryodhana got the army, and ultimately with the help of Krishna, Arjuna was able to conquer.